Okay, here's our webkins. Okay, Sparkle, Ashy, Ginger, King, Rainbow, Tigerine, my first webkin, Leslie, Ebony, Joey, Daffodil, Christy, Angel, and Blueberry.
Now, these are my webkins. Princess, Rosie, Cookie, Emily, Casey, 5924, Purdy, Huggles, Lily, and Belky.
Okay, now you saw our video, and my username is DumbJoy, and hers is PawsClaws5. Now we're going to follow the webkins. Woo!